Load an extension handle and an 18-inch frame. The 18-inch frame will quick connect to the extension handle and should be stored on the front of the cart using the tool grips. Always store your mopping tool with the frame facing down, so you do not block your line of sight over the top of the cart. For high dusting, you will need a flexible wand and a high-performance dusting sleeve. Take a high-performance dusting sleeve and slide it over the flexible wand, and secure the hook and loop tab. This tool will quick connect to any Rubbermaid hygiene handle or pole. Store the tool in one of the tool grips on the front of the cart. For cleaning curved surfaces and reaching into tight spaces, use the Rubbermaid Hygiene Flexi Frame. For maximum versatility, we recommend a high-performance bonnet. The bonnets fit snugly over the Flexi Frame and can be used damp or dry. Quick connect this tool to an extension handle and store it in one of the tool grips on the front of the cart, low enough so it does not block the line of sight. For easy access to your supplies, the Rubbermaid cleaning cart has been designed with locking doors on both sides. Extra bonnets can be stored inside the cart on the shelves.